B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. One day Anne was feeling hard. To reach the spring she had to climb upon a blade of grass so tall.
But Anne slipped and started to fall in the water splash. The ant came tumbling down.
A dove was sitting in a tree. She saw Anne struggling in the spring. Dove plucked a leaf and flew down too.
Put it by the plant went too in the water field, and climbed abroad when was safe.
The leaf did drifted to dry land. The ant was safe, she had been saved.
That's when she saw a hunter near, about to trap the dove. Oh dear, she had when the hunter bit his nails so hard.
Ouch! Yelled the hunter at the bite. Dove flew off in a big fright. The net was dropped, the dove was free.
The moral is, as you can see, that one good turn begins another one.
One day Anne was feeling hard. To reach the spring she had to climb upon a blade of grass so tall.
But Anne slipped and started to fall in the water splash. The ant came tumbling down.
A dove was sitting in a tree. She saw Anne struggling in the spring.
Put it by and to climb into in the water view, and climbed abroad and was safe.
The leaf did drifted to dry land. The ant was safe, she had been saved.
That's when she saw a hunter near, about to trap the dove. Oh dear, she and went to the hunter and bit he feels so hard.
Ow! Yelled the hunter at the bite. Dove flew off in a big fright. The net was dropped, the dove was free.
The moral is, as you can see, the one good turn begs another one.
One day Anne was feeling hard. To reach the spring she had to climb upon a blade of grass so tall.
But Anne slipped and started to fall in the water splash. The ant came tumbling down.
A dove was sitting in a tree. She saw Anne struggling in the spring.
The plucked the leaf and flew down too. Put it by and to climb too in the water view, and climbed abroad and was safe.
The leaf did drifted to dry land. The ant was safe, she has been saved.
That's when she saw a hunter near, about to trap the dove. Oh dear, she and ran to the hunter a bit. He felt so hard.
Ow! Yelled the hunter at the bite. The dove flew off in a big fright. The net was dropped, the dove was free.
The moral is, as you can see, the one good turn begs another one.
Red, yellow, green, blue.
A shepherd boy was outside one day, watching
Pink.
sheep and keeping them safe. I'm so bored here, the shepherd boy sighed. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O,